but he's hopped right into the strike zone of the Fer-de-Lance. She hits the cane toad with a powerful strike. But bony ridges on his forehead protect him from her fangs. And he leaves her with a nasty surprise. The cane toad secretes a nasty toxin which stuns the snake and allows him to escape. This gladiator tree frog can leap distances more than 30 times its body length. But there are far worse things in this jungle, like the deadliest snake in Costa Rica, the Fer-de-Lance. Fight or flight?